See, I found this beautiful place. Actually, I have been driving with a bike many times here, but I saw those beautiful plants there, flowers, so I wanted to come here to paint, to sketch. So look how beautiful these are. Amazing. I set up here this place, and then I noticed that I'm so down that I don't actually see here from here anything, so I feel I need to sketch by standing. Those trees are beautiful, really beautiful, but I just noticed that actually they are trees what are feeling alive. They are almost dead, or just barely living. There is beauty in that, and those plants are really alive there, but maybe I still would like to paint something more alive. Well, I had to ask from ChatGPT that are these trees alive? I see that part of them, some of them are, and that because this is like a swamp from this side, there's a place to swim, but yeah, the ChatGPT, I don't know the word, told that those trees can stay there standing for decades, and even though they are not alive, they are really important for the ecosystem, so there are much living things living in those trees, so they are important for the environment. So there is beauty and there's contrast. They are asking, is the water cold? And it isn't at all, but yeah, I think it might be a little bit cold still in Finland. But yeah, it's so beautiful greens. Look. Yeah, I'm gonna park my bike and start just enjoying this nature. I was looking at that place, there's a beautiful little road to go, but then I sat again to the ground. I noticed that I'm too down in the ground, so I don't see anything, and then I thought that maybe I could sit over this, and there's ants. I think they are living in there, so probably it would be a good idea. Hello, I don't disturb you. Probably it would be a good idea to buy a bag where is a chair included in it. ghosts, they're running. Oh my god! Hello, beauties! Hello! Hi, sweeties! Oh my god! Do you think I have something to feed you? Oh, I didn't expect that. Hi! Hi, beauty! Hi, hi! Terve! What language do you speak? Oh my god. I don't have any food with me. Ei ole ruokaa mukana. Listen. Oh. Am I grateful? Yes, I am. What a gift. I'm speechless. I have to try, is it cold? Actually, it's quite warm. Yeah, some sketches. I didn't even remember I made. So I was dreaming about the winter and northern lights and just testing this oil pastel as a material. I tried to blend it with white and with a brush, and it didn't really work, so then I scratched it. Oh, they came again. I feel I like to do some abstract today, at least at this moment. So I used watercolors quickly, yeah, and I feel like that there's a game. Why did you just stay there? That was just alive and now it's just staying there. What happened to you? So there has been so many little flies flying to this drawing, and I don't really like to kill those living beings. But the world is quite a cruel place because you can't live here without hurting something. But I think that is just how this 3D world works. Hello. Yeah. It's okay. Where are you going? My models were so my models didn't spend a lot of time so it was a really quick sketch, and I noticed that this wasn't even actually watercolor paper I have here. I have some other paper here that I quickly grabbed. Maybe they come back, so I get to paint them more. Yeah, I like this more when I started, and then I just keep continuing, and it just didn't work out. So I think it was something with the composition, and then I just draw trees here, but really isn't here actually, but I added those birds there, what I saw, just to remember them. And yeah, not a masterpiece, but it doesn't matter. I noticed that my mind started to talk not so nice things, but I just didn't want to listen it. So it actually doesn't matter what the end result looks like, because I have really enjoyed my time here to just to create, and there has been so much beautiful things here, and those birds and all kind of other living beings. So I think I'm going to join the next page and watch what comes there. But yeah, the oil pastels started to literally melt in the sun. That hasn't happened before in this country I live. But yeah, it's summer here now. It's so lovely. Yeah, I just started to put some intense colors here. Just colors. Yeah, I think this is enough for this video. So see you again. I love you so much. Bye. Now I am at home. I had a little bit continue with this at home, and maybe I will, but yeah, I think the composition is now better when I change that there. Yeah, but there's the abstracted version now. Yeah, I really much enjoyed today, and I think that's the main thing to do in the moment, things that make you happy.